In this video, you'll learn how to contact Honeybook Support, ensuring you get the assistance you need as efficiently as possible. Whether you're dealing with an issue or just have a question, reaching out to Honeybook Support is straightforward once you know where to begin. Let's dive into the steps to get you connected with a human representative. First, you'll want to locate the chat icon, which is your gateway to support. On both your desktop and the mobile app, you'll find this icon conveniently positioned in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's designed to be easily accessible so you can quickly initiate the support process whenever necessary. Once you click on the chat icon, you'll want to select the help option from the menu that appears. This step will guide you into the support interface. Now, here's a little trick to save you time and ensure you get to speak with a real person. In the chat window, type the phrase "talk to a person." This command is your fast track past the 24/7 support bot, which is there to help with basic queries but can sometimes fall short if you need more detailed assistance. Typing this phrase will place you in the queue for a human agent who can address your concerns more thoroughly. Understanding when live support is available is crucial to ensure you get the help you need without unnecessary waiting. Honeybook's live support hours are quite accommodating. From Monday to Friday, you can reach out from as early as 4 o'clock a.m. until 8 o'clock p.m. Pacific time. These extended weekday hours are perfect for catching support before or after your own workday. If you find yourself needing assistance over the weekend, don't worry. Honeybook has you covered then too. On both Saturday and Sunday, the support team is available from 8 and 12 a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. Pacific time. These live hours are specifically tailored to provide flexibility, catering to early birds and night owls alike. However, it's worth noting that during peak times, there might be a bit of a wait. A good tip is to try reaching out during the less busy hours if your schedule allows, ensuring a quicker response. In summary, contacting Honeybook Support is a simple process. Just remember to click the chat icon in the bottom right corner of either your desktop or mobile app, select the help option, and then type "talk to a person" to bypass the support bot. By keeping the live support hours in mind, you can effectively plan your inquiries to coincide with the availability of Honeybook's helpful representatives. This straightforward method ensures that you'll have access to the support you need when you need it, allowing you to focus more on your work and less on troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in connecting you with Honeybook Support.